Hello friends, welcome to our channel Be a Believer. Today I am going to discuss about few of the most important ways by adopting such things one can be a winner in life. No one in this world wants to be a loser. Everyone wants to be successful and want to win in whatever they are doing it. But in this competitive and cutthroat competitive era, it is very difficult to be a winner. One has to do such things which leads them to the path of success and make them winner in everything they do. So here are few important things one must follow to be a winner in life. Number 1, make no excuses. One of the biggest reason of not getting success in our life is making excuses all the times. Loser always make excuses because they don't want to do anything in their life. They just spoil their life by making excuses all the times. So if you want to be a winner and want to get success in your life, first and foremost thing is avoid making any kind of excuses and get ready and always ready to work. This will take you to the path of growth and success. Failure comes to those who have the habit of making excuses. So it is in our hand to be a winner or a loser. Number 2, listen more. Few of the people have very bad habits of just speaking and never let other people say anything. This kind of people never wants to listen to others. Being a good listener helps a person a lot to grow in their life. To understand what other wants to convey, it is important to listen them first. So if you want to be a winner, speak only such things which is important and enough and listen carefully. Number 3, hard work. No one gets successful or win without doing hard work, as there is no shortcut key to get success. Hard work is the most important thing to be a winner in life. Every successful people had done sheer hard work to get that particular goal, and today they have each and everything which every single person dream of. So never stop doing hard work. Be the most hardworking person, and this will help you to reach the ladder of success always. You will always win in everything you do. Those who have the habit of doing hard work achieve each and everything because hard work always paid off. Number 4, try, learn, grow. Never ever give up in your life. Don't get demotivated when you get failed. Just get up and try one more time. If you never give up on anything in your life, at the end you will have everything you wanted earlier. So try and try if you are not getting your goal, and one day will come you will be a winner. Trying and not letting go anything you want makes you always grow in your life. Number 5, positive attitude. Positive attitude is the sign of a true winner. You can definitely win when you are having a positive attitude towards your goal, that yes, I can do it. No one gets success with negative attitude. It will only going to give you demotivation, and ultimately you will lose everything. So before starting anything, just become so positive for it that no one can stop you from achieving your target and becoming a winner in life. Number 6, learn from your mistake. Mistakes are the proof that you are learning. Don't get afraid from your mistakes. Rather, take lessons from it and just keep moving forward towards your goal. Every successful people out there had done mistakes at some point of time. but they never gave up and today they are on the top. So if you have done any mistake, just improve it and keep going up. So it is not that easy to get the success and be a winner in life. But it's not even that hard also. By adopting all such things, you will definitely going to be a winner and achieve each and everything whatever you have desired of. So just follow it religiously and be a winner. If you like this video, do hit the like button, do share it with your dear ones, and for more such kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.